Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinmoy's Biology channel to yet another new episode. So today we are going to talk about puberty, some myths and some facts. So we have already spoken about adolescence and puberty lesson for class 8 or grade 8, both ICSE and CBSE. So this is a general topic for all that in puberty, regarding puberty we are having certain myths and facts. So let us see what are those, and don't skip in between. It is a very short episode and please do go through it full so that we can know what are the myths and what are the facts regarding puberty. So there is a myth that puberty starts at the same age for everyone, but puberty starts at different age for different people. It depends mainly on the body build, how the stature of the person is, whether he is thin or fat, or what type of food he or she is eating. So on that it depends. So it's not that it starts at same age for all. It begins generally from 8 to 13 years in girls and 9 to 14 years in boys, but this can vary. Now, the second myth is that only boys experience a voice change. It's not like that. While boys experience a more noticeable deepening of the voice, girls' voices also change slightly during puberty. Okay, so there is a change of voice, like a 5 or 6 year girl, whatever voice quality she's having, for a 10-year girl, the voice pitch and all will change. But the noticeable change is seen in boys. Now, acne happens only to people with poor hygiene. It is actually a myth. It is actually due to the hormonal changes and not the dirt. And washing your face helps, but it won't completely prevent the pimples, right? So it is actually an internal thing which is happening during this puberty stage. Now, another myth is there that girls stop growing after this first period. So it's not like that. Girls continue to grow for a few more years after their first period, though at a slower rate. So till their first period, they'll be growing faster, but after that also they'll be growing. Now, only boys have testosterone and only girls have estrogen. This is also another myth. Both boys and girls are having testosterone and estrogen, but estrogen is more in girls, whereas testosterone is more in the boys. So there is a different ratio of testosterone and estrogen which is present in boys and girls. Okay, so another myth is there that puberty only affects the physical changes are there in puberty, but puberty also brings certain emotional as well as psychological changes such as mood swings, increased self-awareness. So a person starts caring about himself or herself, and he or she is aware about the looks, about the dressings and all during this stage, because it increases the self awareness and changing social relationships as well. Okay, so at this point of time they feel that their friends are more near and dear ones than their parents. So there is a total change of their psychological thing. So it's not only physical, their mood, their psychology, everything changes. Now, another myth number 7 is that boys don't experience emotion changes during puberty. It's not like that. Girls and boys, both of them, they experience mood swings, anxiety, emotional ups and downs due to hormonal changes, just like girls. So it's not like that girls only have hormonal issues but boys don't have. No, both of them, they'll have hormonal changes, and which will cause their emotional changes as well. So you can control that puberty when it is starting and all. No, puberty is actually controlled by genetics and hormones. A healthy lifestyle can support the development, but you can speed up or delay puberty intentionally. So it is actually dependent on the genetics, on the hormones. But if you want to speed up, you need to take hormones. You want to early puberty, and you if you want to delay puberty, there are also certain hormonal things that will delay the puberty. Okay, so it is totally dependent on the hormonal things. Okay, so there are few more myths, let us discuss that. So we find people saying that wet dreams, they are happening only to boys. No, it's not like that. While wet dreams, nocturnal emissions are more common in boys, but girls also experience them due to certain hormonal changes. Though it is very rare in girls, but they also experience certain hormonal changes or nocturnal emissions as well. Now, breast development means a girl will start her period soon. It's also a myth because breast development is one of the first signs of puberty, but the first period may still take a couple of years to arrive. Okay, so it may be the first sign of puberty, but it is not like that after the breast development only a girl will have the first period or the puberty will start, period will start. It's not like that. It will take a certain couple of years to arrive. Now, there is a myth that masturbation during puberty is very harmful. It's not like that. Masturbation is a normal part of puberty and does not cause any physical harm. So, this should be noted that masturbation is a part of your puberty, normal part. It is not causing any harm, and however, maintaining a balanced lifestyle is important during puberty. And this masturbation is not causing any physical harm to the person. Now, puberty is happening overnight. This is not at all a fact. Puberty is a gradual process that takes years with different changes happening at different times. So, it will gradually happen within 3, 4, 5 years. So, it is a gradual thing which is happening throughout the this 5 years or 6 years of tenure. So, it's not happening overnight. So, this is all about the myths and facts about puberty. So, please do go through it because there are a few facts and there are few myths only which I have taken and I tried to prove it as these are the myths and how the fact varies from the myth. So, I hope you have liked this and stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like my channel. Share it with your friends as well and stay tuned for more updates and more interesting episodes which are on the way to come. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.